Welcome back out to Patman Garage. We've got a new wheel ordered. It was ordered from LMR, of course. So got our SVE wheel cover. And there we go. So it's going to be the new spare wheel. So we'll take the center cap off of it and get the spare tire mounted on it. So we'll go ahead and do that this weekend. But I wanted to show you the quick little unboxing here, and we'll get headed that way. All right, so we're going to get the spare wheel loaded up. So I got Fiddy out of the garage enough where we can get the spare wheel loaded, I should say. And then we'll I also have one other quick thing we're going to toss on the truck while we are in this kind of holding pattern, and then we'll hit the road. All right, so I got the spare loaded up, and then we'll get the other part thrown on the truck here. So when I went to LMR last year, the hood was having trouble staying up in the wind, and currently the truck is actually parked slightly nose downhill, but you can see how weak the hood shocks are. Should be the original ones here, so they aren't really, they will hold up if you don't have any static weight on the hood or don't have any down pressure on it, but it's not nearly as strong as it should be. So we got some new struts we're going to pop in here real quick, and then we'll head out. All right, we got the wheel loaded up. We got our new hood shocks on, so we'll get out of here. I just saw this. There was a leaf like glued to the truck because last time we drove it, it was wet. So you can see all the water spots. She's dirty. Even when she looks clean, she's still dirty. But we'll go head out, and we'll get this wheel mounted together here. That's much better. Much more confident with that. Actually opens and stays open. So not bad for a little Amazon purchase there. Well, that did not shut all the way. Well, that's better. So I pulled into this gas station to, well, get gas, and had a little bit of a panic moment here. So I'm like, I thought I was leaking oil because it like looks like it straight came out of my truck, and I don't know where all that oil came from. And then I saw where I haven't driven yet, and there's oil spills going that way. But definitely made me go little panic mode there for a second. cousin was nice enough to let me use the alignment rack at his shop, so I could get the spare tire put back under the truck without having to lift the truck. So have less content now. But I'll take a peek at it underneath the truck real quick before we put Fiddy all the way back in the garage. So if you are new to the channel, or relatively new to the channel, and didn't remember seeing me rebuild the whole back half of the frame when I did the 4-link, I redid the whole cross member and then redid the winch system. So I actually have more of the spare sitting up higher under the truck. So I'm actually running a full 20x9 full-size spare with 275 3520 on it, and it actually fits under the truck, and you don't even see it underneath the truck. So it tucks real nicely. Which was the goal of mine, was to get this thing to fit the full-size 20-inch spare and wider, because the factory spare was a 16x7, I believe, with a 255. So I went 1-inch wider tire and 2-inch wider wheel under the truck, and it's a lot. So wanted to be able to make sure it fits, and I don't really have the ground clearance to sacrifice or compromise on, I'll say it that way. So that's why I did what I did, and it also made the truck stronger too. So anyways, we'll get Fiddy put away, stop huffing E85 fumes in the garage, and then that's it. I appreciate y'all, and I will catch you in the next one.